Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you could join us. So this week we have a request from a community member and her name is Angela and she writes, "Hi Miss Planet, hi Angela. I really love this bridal bouquet. I was hoping you could help me DIY it for my wedding soon. I recently found your YouTube channel and you make it so easy to follow along. I love how you provide the supply list. The photo is what I'm really going for. I'm so grateful for you choosing my project. God bless you for helping all of us inspiring to create our own magical weddings." Well, Angela, I am so excited not only to show you how easy it is to create this bridal bouquet, but also how affordable it is. So, what are we waiting for? Let's get started with this week's episode, our Blushing Bride Cascading Bouquet. Okay, guys, let's get to it. As always, we like to have our projects have a very strong base. So for this base, we're using a bouquet wand, we're using a styrofoam cone, and I'm giving you the option to use a bouquet collar just because it hides all the magic that's happening on the back side of your bouquet. So you will notice that most bouquet wands come with the floral foam. The floral foam does not give the same support as the styrofoam foam when you're using artificial flowers. So I would suggest that you take that out and replace it with the styrofoam cone foam. You're going to just continue to trim down your cone until it fits nice and snug in your bouquet wand. And then I would also add a dab of hot glue on the rim of the bouquet wand so that when you snap it together, it just gives it that extra support. But just a little dab, and make sure it's not the high heat hot glue. It needs to be the medium heat because you don't want to melt your bouquet wand. Now you're ready to build on it. This bouquet is all about layering. I use the hydrangeas to fill in the fullness behind the bouquet. So that is very necessary. That will build your fullness. And then you start layering on your leaves as well as your other floral pieces. So here's a tip that's going to really help you. When creating cascading bouquets, especially when you're using larger flowers, in this case orchids, it's very important for you to create a more realistic cascading effect. And you do that by taking individual blossoms and making them their own stem. The stem is actually 20 gauge floral wire. You're just going to wrap it and twist it. It's very simple to do. Don't be scared. You can do this. And then you have a stem because the wire is green, so it mimics a stem, and it can be as long or as short as you would like. So you can make your cascade as long or as short as you would like. All right, guys, you can do this. Well, Angela, how did we do? I think it's absolutely stunning. I also want you to know, Angela, that I have all the links for all the flowers that you would need, and I made sure that you had options that were both exactly in the color scheme of your inspiration picture and other ones if you wanted to add more pinks or add more blushes in with the mauves. So don't worry, you have the links to everything you need right in the description below this video. Guys, if you like this video, by all means like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted every single month. And if there's a project we can help you with, please send us a project request. We'll talk about that a little bit later. But if you want to hang out some more, please head over to our social media and follow us on Facebook, X, formerly known as Twitter, Instagram, and please check out our Pinterest page. That's where I can go and just kind of imagine things and put things and kind of introduce you guys to other DIYers, because it definitely takes a village. If you have not signed up for your Rakuten account, don't know what you're waiting for, go ahead and do that. Go to the description, click on the link, sign up for your account. When you're ready to shop, sign on to your account, make your qualified purchases, and receive a check at the end of the month for your shopping efforts. It is really that simple. Our time has come to an end, but before we go, I want to remind you that all the links to all the supplies for our projects are always listed in the descriptions below the video. You just click on that arrow, it'll scroll down, and you will see everything there for your use. If you would like to submit a project request, please do so, and do it sooner than later. I absolutely hate telling anyone no, and our production schedule fills up so fast. Simply go right there in the corner, click on our Miss Planet website, missplanet.com. Go to missplanet.com, click on the project request tab, and follow the very easy steps. You will also find written and picture instructions to most of our projects, as well as other cost-saving tips. So what are you waiting for? Check out our website, missplanet.com. Okay, guys, our time is up, and I want to thank you for spending this time with us. We know you have so many options on YouTube, so we thank you so much for spending the time and for subscribing. Thank you very much. And until next time, always remember, when every penny counts, you can count on this planet. Take care of yourself. God bless. See you soon.